Hi friends, we are going to see how to do apple oats porridge. Come, let's see how to do it. First we have to take half of the apple and we have to peel the apple and we have to remove the seeds in the center of the apple because it's poisonous. After that we have to grate the apple. If the baby can't swallow, you can boil it and you can grind it in the mixer grinder. Now we have to roast the oats in the tawa or pan. Then we have to transfer it to the mixer grinder and we have to powder it. Now we have to take 1 glass of water and we have to pour 2 tablespoons of oats mixture and we have to boil it till it thickens. Then we have to add grated apple or either mashed apple or fine paste of the apple. Then we have to boil it for another 5 minutes. After that our apple oats porridge is ready. You can serve it for the baby from 8 months to 2 years. If the baby can't swallow the grated apple, you can boil the apple and you can grind it in the mixer grinder and then add it. Either way you can do it. Thank you.